Alright, so 2014 Wrangler here. I want to show this because I almost got really off course here. Start this thing up. I turn on, let's see. I turn on my left blinker, the dome light goes active. I'm like, oh my goodness, what is going on? I see this aftermarket radio over here. And if I turn my headlights on and off, so there's on, there's off, kind of hard to see, but the screen goes dim. Turn it back on, screen lights up. So, with the aftermarket radio, I'm thinking, oh goodness, they, tapped into part of this circuit. I looked this up. This is on the LIN bus, so this is an input into the steering column module or whatever they call it, and then that gets sent to another computer. So, I'm thinking they've got something wonky here. Come to find out, this, which I couldn't figure out what it did initially because it wasn't doing anything, this is for the courtesy lights. That's supposed to be, all the way over is supposed to be the always on position. That's supposed to be the auto position. There's in between, and that's supposed to be off. Thing is, so what this was doing before, even if I had it, so even if I turn it off, it's off right now. Well, the light's still on. So I kept looking at this, and come to find out, it's not the fact that I'm pushing the stock this way. I can twist this thing. You see the lights going on and off in the background there? It doesn't matter what position it's in. It'll come on and off by fiddling with it like that. And I got the door open, so now you can't see it. But with the door closed, there's the on position. Lights, lights, lights. There's the off position. Oh, well, now it's not going to do it, but it was turning on and off, even with it in any of these other positions. But there you have it. Bad multifunction switch. Crazy.